Today we are going to discuss the Higgins coat of arms. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we offer genealogy research service at our website. Please visit us at coadb.com. First Higgins coat of arms to discuss: blazoned Vert, 3 cranes' heads, erased argent; Crest, a griffin's head, erased or, gorged with the collar gules. This was found in Hereford and Shrewsbury. There was a Thomas Higgins who died in 1635, who was a rector of the Church of Westbury and was buried in Shrewsbury, son of Richard Higgins, grandson of Peter Higgins of Stretton, great-grandson of Richard Higgins, and the 2x great-grandson of John Higgins. And he had sons, Richard Higgins, who died in 1653, and son Sir Thomas Higgins of Grewell and Southampton. Now, not sure if any of those individuals have anything to do with this coat of arms, but they were all associated with the area. This was also borne by the Higgins of Turvey Abbey in County Bedfordshire, England. Charles Higgins, a wealthy grocer, was Sheriff of London, and he purchased the manor of Turvey in 1787. It passed to his nephew, Charles Longuet Higgins Esq, born 1806, a physician and landowner, the son of John Higgins, grandson of Thomas Higgins of Turvey Abbey, great-grandson of John Higgins, and the 2x grandson of Hugh Higgins. Here we see Turvey Abbey. Another coat of arms for Henry Higgins Esq, born 1817, of Moreton Jeffries, County Herefordshire. He was Justice of the Peace, High Sheriff, and Deputy Lieutenant, a descendant of the Platt-Higgins family, who descended from William Higgins, born 1784, of Salford in County Lancashire. Granted to Joseph Napier Higgins Esq, born 1826, of Glenary in County Waterford, Ireland. He was a judge and writer. Another from County Shropshire. Usually we find this with towers, 3 towers on the fesse. This one from Bury in County Somerset. There was Richard Higgins Esq, born 1634, of Bury in County Sussex, so not Somerset. Had issue Edward, George, Anne, and Catherine. Was the son of Edward Higgins of Bury, who was Commissioner for Parliament. Another O'Higgin, a sept located in Connaught, Ireland, a branch which settled County Westmeath. The name is derived from one of their chiefs, Ugin. Arms and crests recorded in the funeral entry of Teague O'Higgin, who died in 1633, and he was of Kilbeg in Ireland. Another for Godfrey Higgin Esq, born 1722, of Skellow Grange in County Yorkshire. He was a magistrate, landowner, historian, and writer on the topic of ancient myths, son of Godfrey Higgins Esq, and grandson of Richard Higgins Esq of Yorkshire, and he had a son of the same name who was born in 1801. Another from London. I wasn't able to find the grantee on this, but there was John Higgins, who died in 1565, citizen and merchant tailor of London. Robert Higgins, citizen and barber surgeon of London, as well as a Richard Higgins, and Thomas Higgins, who died in 1629, described as gentleman and groom in ordinary of His Majesty's removing wardrobe. Another coat of arms as borne by John Higgins and James Higgins, mayors of Worcester in the latter part of the 17th century. A very similar coat of arms was granted in 1725 to John Higgins, warden of Fleet Prison. Alexander Higgins alive in the year 1695, of Craigforth, Scotland, High Commissioner, Advocate. Sir John Higgins of Montague, born 1678, an Irish physician, son of Dr. Patrick Higgins of Limerick City, received the title of Councillor to Castile from King Philip V of Spain. He died in Spain, where his descendants continued on. He was knighted in 1724. Another born by Reverend Joseph Higgins, rector of Eastnor in the late 18th and early 19th century, justice of the peace for Hereford, Worcester, Gloucester. He descended from Edward Higgins of Radnor, who married Mary Clinton in 1563. The arms of Ambrosio Bernardo O'Higgins, born 1720, an Irish-Spanish colonial administrator who served as Captain General of Chile and Viceroy of Peru. His son, Bernardo O'Higgins, was a Chilean independence leader. Here we see Ambrosio, who was ennobled as Marquis of Osorno. And here we see his son, Bernardo O'Higgins. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, link in the description. Thank you very much.